Hello everyone. Welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 10th January 2024. If you are watching our channel for first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. In the description of this video, you will be having two swing trade calls which is currently going live and two option techniques also given for educational purpose. Let's get into the videos for today's discussion. This is our discussion agenda for today. So coming to Indian market open and closure data, as we expected and predicted in a trade setup for 10th January, the market open flat with 20 points, around 15 to 20 points minus, and then from there the market was finding to a direction plus positive or negative, where we can see there was a weakness found in the HDFC Bank and the Infosys as well, where the IT stocks are coming under pressure due to a quarterly results are heading for tomorrow for TCS and Infosys. So Infosys is found to be under pressure and TCS found to be trading in almost flat. However, HCL Technologies been trading consistently good with 2% up for today. Today, since there is a Bank Nifty expiry of weekly options, we found too volatile. Once the support of 21,492 was broken on the downside, the market fell further for another 50 points. Then it took support from that range and recovered from there almost 100 points from there. So as we already keep saying that 21,400 to 21,500 is to be a good support. Within this range, you can find, if you find a dip, you can take it as a buying opportunity. When the 21,500 and 400 levels are taken out decisively, then the psychological support of 21,000 is the only support. So when the Nifty is trading in the range between 21,400 to 500, whenever the dips come, you can still consider as a buying opportunity. You can see now that from there it is been recovered to 21,600. So once the 21,800 level is taken out decisively, then only we can expect the further resistance to 21,900 or 22,000. Till that time, the consolidation will be happening and profit booking will be happening between the range of 21,000 to 21,700. Bank Nifty today, we didn't see much volatility. It was in a small range of 400 points. That is a good, and we can see a good recovery by HDFC Bank, and there was a positive news for ICICI banks, and the PSU banks also moderately did well, so which helped the Bank Nifty to not fall further and helped the market to good weekly expiry for this week. And also we predicted it will be in the range of 46,800 to 47,400, and exactly where the Bank Nifty ended for this expiry. So mid cap also did well and small cap also did well. So almost 100 points recovery been done today from the recent fall of 200 points earlier. That is good. So still some more news are there been for this week, like US data, CPI data, and India CPI data is there, and US jobs data will be there tomorrow, and tomorrow Infosys and TCS results are there. If those been positive, it can trigger further up move in the Nifty. So last 1 hour there was a good action to have a good recovery for our market. That's positive. So we have to see whether this upside momentum is to be sustained or not. So coming to the key news about the vibrant Gujarat summit of 2024, which is also one of the key factor today, the market turned positive, where the Reliance is the major contributor for today's rally, which is up by almost 2% up, because there were big players. They shown a key interest of investing business in Gujarat summit. Starting with Reliance itself, Mukesh Ambani announced Reliance would set up India's first carbon fiber facility at Hazira in Gujarat. And Tata have also informed chairman of Tata, he have said that they have a plan of new semiconductor fabrication plant in Gujarat. So that is also positive, and also they have mentioned they will be having a factory of manufacturing lithium and ion batteries in Sanat, Gujarat, that will be initially manufacturing capacity of 20 gigawatts per hour to meet the growing demand of electric vehicles. And Gautam Adani, he have also announced the investment of more than 2 lakh crore in Gujarat, which will be about the green energy park that boasts the visibility from outer space. And Suzuki, the president of Suzuki Motor Corp, announced that they will be having a local unit with investment of 35,000 crore to set up their second manufacturing facility in Gujarat. Currently, Suzuki stock is to be in a considerable mode for buying. I recently buy Suzuki Maruti Suzuki stock. ArcelorMittal, who is the chairman of Lakshmi Mittal, have also notified that they will be having some investments in Gujarat. About the steel factory. Then Micron, who will be investing approximately around 6,760 crores in 2 phases for the semiconductor testing and packaging facility in Gujarat Sanand. And from Nvidia, they said that they is going to set up AI setup data centers in connecting with the Tata Groups and Reliance Industries at Gujarat. Also, Paytm also shown their interest of investing 100 crore in GIFT City to offer AI-driven cross-border remittance. So that's the key news from the Vibrant Gujarat Summit that's been going on till 12th of January. So we'll see some more investing news is coming flow for tomorrow, and that will support for our market to move up higher. So key market news from individual stocks. Tata Platforms, Tanla Platforms, current market price is 1,196. It's rose up to 10.82% because the board have approved for possibilities of interim dividend after their Q3 results. That's positive for this stock. This stock is underperforming for long time, and its all-time high is almost around near to 2,000 rupees. So Network 18 today hit upper circuit of 20% after there was a block deal of 155 crores. Around 1.3% of equity, which is 1.3 crores, has been hand changed. Immediately we cannot find who are the buyers and sellers. Tata Power, it rose for 2% after the rating been given by Antique, that the buy rating. They are stating that still 29% upside is possible for this stock from the current level. Indrapradas Gas, the brokerage of UBS have been downgraded. So the stock fell 2.66%. So they expected the target price of 400 for this stock. Pondy Oxides and Chemicals, it rose to 10%, which hits a 52-week high after the signing of a contract with the Tamil Nadu government for establishing a recycle and manufacturing plant in Tamil Nadu. Manappuram Finance, it fell 4.84% with a current market price of 168 after SEBI have put the hold of their initial public offer request for its subsidiary firm Asirvad Microfinance. KIOCL, which is an iron ore company, the current market price is 358, which fell around 2.9% after they suspend their operations in Mangalore plant for the maintenance purpose. Vedanta, it rose around 2.23% after even the Modis have been downgraded the company's rating and unsecured bonds. However, this stock performed opposite to the not reacting to the news. Some more news. India will become a 5 trillion economy by financial year 2028 and reaches 30 trillion US dollars, said by Finance Minister and she said that it will reach 30 trillion economy by 2047. And Lupin, which introduces a new generic product in US market, which they introduced the Vaseline tablets with a strength of 0.5 mg and 1 mg. This tablet, which is using for the smokers to quitting the smoking, and it got recognized by the US FDA, that is positive for this stock. ICICI Bank supersedes with Axis after 16 years higher. They were been ruling with the market of the rupee bond market king by Axis. So after 16 years, ICICI Bank topped both HDFC and Axis, we can say. So ICICI become the first with having a market lending where this year 980.3 billion in rupees, which is offering the highest in 2023. Next it is HDFC, and third it becomes the Axis Bank. Because of this, ICICI Bank, it was higher by 1.36% today. This stock have potential to move higher. I have holding some stocks on this as well. Shrista Infra Projects have been planning to raise a fund worth of 350 crores through bonds, which is maturing in 41 months and 15 days. Bharti Airtel, today it hit 52-week high after BOFA Securities raises the target. It reaches to the level of 1073. After that, the stock fell to almost like 1.5% from its day high. SpiceJet, today it moved by 5% up after the AGM review of 2,250 crore investment plan. So currently the stock ended with 65.44 rupees. Earlier they had a air flight carrier also to be taken over. That discussion also taken further the SpiceJet shares. Since moreover this stock is a high debt company, still it's not advisable to take the stock on these positions. Some more stocks, Mortison's Jewelers, which is hit a back-to-back 20% upper circuit, and this stock ended higher today. This stock recently launched listed in the Indian market, opened up with around 105 rupees during the listing, and from there it gained more than 70% to 80% from the opening level. This stock seems to be more focused by the FIIs. They are showing more interest. The FIIs are making more buying in this stock at this level. So, which means there is a more potential from this level to stock this move higher as well. Kaplan Group of companies, today it also gone higher. This stock have given a good return, almost over 150% return from its 52 weeks low of 575 rupees. Currently it's trading at the range of 1438. So after the signing of contract with the Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet, this stock showed a momentum of moving upwards. A key news that mutual funds are showing more interest with the power sector exposure. So which is delivered almost 64% returns with the power sectors. Recently I also focusing on investing on the power sectors and renewable sectors, which is giving a good returns in near term, like stocks like IREDA and NHPC, NTPC. Those stocks are giving still have potential to go upward, and these stocks are PSU stocks as well. You'll be getting more dividends also on this return. A brokerage call from Motilal as well. Kirloskar Oil Engines, they set a target of 840. Currently it's trading at the range of 676 rupees, 676.90 rupees. A technical call, there is a data pattern which is having a consolidation after the break. There is a breakout after the consolidation. Currently it was trading in the range of 1978. If you want to enter it above the price of 2000 when it is broken, it has a potential to go up to 2100 to 2300 with a stop loss of 1950. So this call's been for educational purpose only. You can have your education, and if you know how to analyze the technical calls, then you can have a call on this. Coming to commodity sector, today gold, crude all been raised up. So gold is higher by 0.26 percentage in USD, and also in India it was 0.17 percentage, which up by 106 rupees, and crude by 0.25 percentage ended with the 72.42 US dollars, and USD to INR, which ended a low with is a good 83.03 levels. Bitcoin traded in negative yesterday, hitting after a 46,000 USD. We have a news about crypto we will be seeing in the next slide. IPO corner, there is a mega IPO is been expected from a big company that they are planning to have their launch of IPO for its subsidiary company Yugia Pharma specialties around the fundraising of 4,500 crore. They are planning by the mid of this year, around August 2024. This will be positive for this stock. Coming to global news, the World Bank expects that global economy to undergo its weakest growth in 30 years. They are predicting that there will be decline of 2.4 percentage from the level of 2.6 percentage in 2023. This is an indicator that the stock may that the global may react accordingly. South Korea jobless rate also seems to be higher. In almost 2 years, it rose from 2.8 percentage to 3.3 percentage in December. Also, there was a news about World Economic Forum that they have indicated there was a false information posted by US yesterday that there was a conflict by US Securities and Exchange, that there is a news about the crypto ETF. So that is the impact of the crypto side. So that's it for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If this video is beneficial, please like this video, share to your network, subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.